Hey there and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that's been garnering a lot of attention lately, artificial intelligence or AI. Specifically, we're going to be looking at how you can learn AI as a complete beginner, without any prior knowledge or experience in the field. AI is a complex and rapidly evolving field that has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work and interact with the world around us. It's already being used in a wide range of applications, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and predictive analytics. And while it might seem intimidating at first, learning AI is easier than you might think. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. Step 1. Understand the basics of AI. The first step to learning AI is to understand what it is and how it works. At a high level, AI refers to the ability of machines to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence. This can include things like speech recognition, natural language processing, image recognition, and decision making. AI is made up of a few key components. Data. AI relies on vast amounts of data to learn and improve. The more data it has, the better it can perform. Algorithms. These are the mathematical models that AI uses to process data and make predictions or decisions. Compute. AI requires significant computational power to process the data and run the algorithms. Feedback. AI needs feedback from users to improve its performance over time. Step 2. Choose a learning path. Once you have a basic understanding of AI, the next step is to choose a learning path that works for you. There are several different ways to learn AI, depending on your background, interests and goals. One popular option is to take online courses or tutorials. There are many free and paid courses available that can teach you the basics of AI, as well as more advanced topics. Some popular platforms for online learning include Coursera, edX, and Udacity. Another option is to read books or watch videos. There are many excellent books and videos available that can teach you the fundamentals of AI, as well as more advanced topics. Some popular books include Artificial Intelligence, A Modern Approach by Stuart Russell and Peter Norvig, Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, Yoshua Bengio, and Aaron Corville, and Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng. Finally, you can also learn AI by experimenting and building your own projects. There are many resources available online that can help you get started with building your own AI models and applications, including libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Step 3. Start practicing. Once you have a good understanding of AI and have chosen a learning path that works for you, the next step is to start practicing. This can involve building your own projects, working through exercises and assignments in online courses, or participating in hackathons and competitions. One popular way to practice is to work through coding exercises that help you understand the algorithms and techniques used in AI. There are many online platforms that offer coding challenges and exercises, including HackerRank, LeetCode, and Kaggle. Another way to practice is to participate in online communities and forums where you can discuss AI with other learners and experts. Some popular communities include Reddit's machine learning subreddit, the TensorFlow community, and the PyTorch forum. Step 4. Stay up to date. Finally, it's important to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. This field is constantly evolving, and new breakthroughs are being made all the time. One way to stay up to date is to read articles and blogs from experts in the field. Some popular blogs and websites to follow include the AI section of MIT Technology Review, the Google AI blog, and the OpenAI blog. Another way to stay up to date is to attend conferences and events related to AI. These can be a great way to learn from experts, network with other professionals, and get a sense of where the field is heading. Some popular conferences and events include the Conference on Neural Information Processing Systems, NeurIPS, the International Conference on Machine Learning, ICML, and the AI Summit. It's also important to keep in mind the ethical implications of AI, and to stay informed about ongoing discussions and debates in this area. AI has the potential to bring about significant changes to society, and it's important to consider issues like bias, privacy, and transparency as the technology continues to evolve. Conclusion. Learning AI as a complete beginner may seem daunting at first, but with the right resources and approach, it's definitely achievable. By understanding the basics of AI, choosing a learning path that works for you, practicing through coding challenges and building your own projects, and staying up to date with the latest developments in the field, you can build a solid foundation in AI and even begin to use it in your own projects or business. Remember to approach learning with curiosity and an open mind, and don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. With hard work and dedication, you can become an AI expert and contribute to the exciting advancements being made in this field. If you found this video helpful and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.